Today I am talking about something special about these stocks. These stocks trade at this moment $250. Here you can see, and these stocks trade, I know that, but these stocks give only today return 0.7%. In the last 5 days these stocks give 0%. These stocks give 0% return in the last 1 month. But if you see last 6 months, these stocks give approximately 12% more than return. That means 12% gain these stocks. And in the year to date return, here you can see these stocks give approximately 8% return. That means these stocks gain 8% market valuation. And 1 year's return, here you can see 25% return. Okay, 25% market valuation these stocks gain in the last 1 years. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell the stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see last 5 years these stocks make 112% return. Okay, and these stocks make maximum return. Here you can see 651% return. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.